So before this video starts, I just want to put it out there that sometimes doing things DIY don't go the way that we hope for. Nonetheless, I attempted something and it didn't turn out the way that I hoped for, but I at least can fix it. So see me make some mistakes in this video. Enjoy.
What's up everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I just want to remind you guys quickly, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've enjoyed the recent series of videos, especially Wicked Wednesdays. But getting into the video today, I'm either going to ruin or improve my car's headlights. As you'll see, they are already pretty faded and got some orange peel. So what I'm going to be doing is sanding them down with 600, 800 and 1200 grit sandpaper with water, and then I'm going to be applying a clear coat. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys quickly what you need to do this if you want to attempt it yourself, and then get into prepping the headlights. So as you'll see, my trusty pile, I've got some drop sheet or plastic, I've got 600 grit, 800 grit and 1200 grit sandpaper, and then I have Rust-Oleum's clear coat, gloss clear coat, and then I also have a Stanley blade just to cut the masking tape, which I'll be putting around the bodywork of the car to lay it on the plastic so I don't end up getting overspray onto the body of the car itself. But yeah, I'm just going to fill up my bottle of water and then I'll show you guys how to prep the headlights before you spray them. Headlight bolts, so I can pull out the headlights slightly, and it makes it a little bit easier to access all the crevices of the headlight itself. As you guys know, if you saw the shorts video of me installing these little universal hardwares, I think it makes the car look pretty sick. I think this is not stainless steel screws, because I see some rust forming on them already, but luckily I have a lot of them, so I can just replace them if they do end up looking a lot worse. Then you just want to pull your headlight slightly out of its resting place. Just like that. And then we'll get our chair, water, and start sanding. I'm just starting off with my 600 grit, and as you see, just because of sun and heat, this headlight has taken abuse, so we'll spray it nice and wet all over, and then we'll continue to spray as we start sanding. So don't be afraid, because you'll see that the 600 grit leaves quite deep lines into the headlight, but that's okay, because we will be going over it with 1200 at the end. See, the 600 leaves quite rough scratch marks across the headlight, so we're going over it with the 800, refining that to a smaller scratch. And then you just want to pull it out again, spray off all the excess. And then get yourself a nice clean cloth and just spray over the headlight again so we can wipe off all the sanding dust. You'll see it stays behind on the cloth. then just prep the area around the headlight, because we're going to be putting masking tape down to close off so we don't get any overspray. The next thing you want to do is mask off the engine bay and the bodywork so you don't get some overspray on them. About this is it extends all the way over. So we got everything masked off pretty nicely. You'll see I went right around the headlights on this side, right around the headlights on this side. I'm just giving it a few more minutes so that this last bit of moisture can clear out. I think that's on the inside of the headlight though. And then, like I said, we are using Rust-Oleum gloss clear, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, so I am just going to be doing a very light first coat. Also just being careful not to get too close to the headlight. I'd rather spray a bit further away and have a good even spread, because Rust-Oleum in South Africa's tips don't spray wide, they spray a blotch. So I'm going to go around the corners and then I'll finish off the open areas. Nice light first coat, and now we let that dry. Okay guys, so I'm going to go for a bit of a thicker second coat. Oh no, be careful because they've got a little bit of run on the other side's headlight. See, I have a little bit of a run issue on the left hand side, but hopefully with gravity it'll run and even out smoothly as it dries out. Okay, you guys know I'm always open and honest with you about things that I do. I ended up doing 3 coats on the headlights, and I'm happy with how deep they turned out. From far it looks nice, but when you look up close there's a few minor issues, and I don't know what caused this, but you'll see there's like very fine cracks in there. So I think when I get some time I will sand off this clear coat and then just polish the headlights and see if that makes a bigger difference than doing the clear coat. I don't know if it was because I sprayed it in the shade and that maybe has an influence, but I've got one sneaky surprise for you guys, a new mod. So as you'll see, my unique Golden Hour Club banner has served its purpose. It's busy chipping and fading, and you guys know that I've been on this craze with Speed Hunter stuff recently, so I got a Speed Hunter banner and then a new piece of black vinyl that I'll be putting on, and yeah, this will just be me installing that. that is going to wrap up the video for today. Like I said, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below about what you think. I will do a short cinematic sequence quickly with the new Speed Hunters banner and other lights. Like I said, I am not very satisfied with how the lights turned out, so be sure to tune in for an updated video where I will make sure that the lights are done the correct way, but without wasting any more time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys shortly for another video. Here comes the cinematic sequence. Ciao.
Memphis, man.